Hi guys, today I'm going to be assembling this model Jeep that I received for my birthday. If you watched any of my previous videos, you'll likely know that I'm not exactly a perfectionist when it comes to this sort of thing, and I tend to rush a little just to get the job done. Obviously today is going to be no exception. Rather than using real model paint, which can be a little pricey, I'm just going to use spray paint that I have kicking around. And instead of proper model cement, I'll be using super glue and epoxy. Again, just stuff I have kicking around. So here I am separating the parts according to the colors I want to paint them. And now a quick wash to remove any residue from the factory. Okay, I've laid out all the parts that I want to paint black, so I'm going to put the first coat on those. And now the metallic gray parts. Here are the interior parts. On the box they have them gray, but my Jeep has a tan interior, so I'm going to do the same thing on these. These are checker plate for the rocker panels and the roll bar. But I'm still not sure I'm going to use the roll bar. It's kind of a weird aftermarket style. I'm not sure I really like it, but I'm going to paint it anyway and decide if I'm going to use it later. I'm going to use a satin gray for these. Now I'm going to paint the body, and I'm going to use the same green that I used on my Jeep I built out of garbage. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. I'm going to spray this one now. Okay, so now that the parts are dry, it's time to start assembling. So looking at the box, this doesn't look like a very big lift for the size of these tires. So here are the springs that come with the kit and these tiny little screws. Now I tried stretching them a little bit to see if I can get a bigger lift, but I broke one of the springs. So I got these that I found in the workshop, and I'm going to try these longer screws to see if that'll work. Give it a bigger lift and clear those tires a little bit better. Okay, so that's about it for assembly. Let's compare it to the picture on the box. I think that it looks pretty good. I didn't put the light bar on it because I don't really like it. It also came with a lot of different stickers. Some of them are quite nice, but I think I like it without it. Well, I hope you guys liked watching this little project. I don't really do too many model kits, but I thought this would be a fun one. And as I said before, I'm not really interested in building extra carefully and precisely, and rather just have fun and kill a few hours. I think this took about 3 hours total, including all the prep and painting, which isn't too bad. If you would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have other ideas of projects I might like doing, or you would like to see, let me know as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. It's really the only way I have to know what videos people like and what I should be making more of. As always, thanks for watching.